Hello everyone, it's author Sandra Wilson here in the Kindness Kangaroo Library for another kangaroo tale. Today's story is Mealtime at the Zoo, PB&J Café by James Williamson. And as always, when we read our stories, we have a link in the description below where you can go and get the book for yourself. Okay everyone, this is Mealtime at the Zoo. Peanut butter sandwiches, a meal, and much more, a treat that every creature on earth can adore. With aardvarks and lions and zebras galore, come and find new ways to have this treat before chores. Snake stuffs hers with a great big mouse. Joey stashes his while cuddled in a pouch. Croc chomps his with a slippery fish. Giraffe licks hers from a porcelain dish. Bee bites hers with a wee bit of honey. Lion likes his on a rock where it's sunny. Whale swallows his in the deep blue sea. Koala chews hers in a tall brown tree. Rhino shares his with birds on his back. Elephant orders hers in a great big stack. Beetle rolls his into a sticky ball. Bear eats hers as the leaves fall. Lizard snags each piece with his tongue from afar. Hog gets her snout stuck in the jelly jar. Monkey munches hers while holding a banana. Hippo hoards his by a lake in the savannah. Peanut butter sandwiches are for all sorts of creatures, from insects to fish to elementary teachers. Reptiles and amphibians relish them too, but whatever you are, don't forget to chew. Whether you're big as a bear or small as a shrew, there's surely a sandwich made just right for you. Now that you've tried this treat many ways, what would you like for your side today? And here in the note it says, fried flies, fish fries, or minced pies. And then at the back it has a couple of really fun recipes for peanut butter sandwiches. We've tried them. They were a pretty good hit. So that's Mealtime at the Zoo, PB&J Café by James Williamson. And as I said before, if you look in the description below, you'll find a link where you can go and get a copy of this book for yourself and read it over and over and over and really enjoy the love of reading. I hope you enjoyed this kangaroo tale, and I hope you join us next time here in the Kindness Kangaroo Library